அடுத்ததாக நீண்ட நாள் நண்பர் திரு கந்தா அவர்களை அழைக்கின்றோம்.
அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். என்னுடைய பெயர் கந்தா. I'm an architect, now retired of course, and I know Alagappan 40 years ago, 1984. I met him first. He was living in HTP block in Yishun, block 745. I went there to collect some item which my another friend sent from India. And that's the first time I met him, and that's how our friendship blossomed from that time onwards. He's a very, very good friend of me. I don't have any business contacts with him or any other things, just purely friend, that's it. And every week we get together, and at least the weekends, the Saturday or Sunday, I go to his place, and we meet there and meet their family. That time Karthik was 1 year, and he's always, my wife or myself will be carrying him at the time. And he's got a lot of friends nearby in the same block. Because Raghu, Shekhar, Guru, Ali, Aisha, we always get together. Alagappan has got such a magnetic charm. Everybody gathers at his place and we'll be chit-chatting, eating tidbits, playing cards. But we don't forget to go to there's a temple in Old Sambhavam Road nearby. We always drive down there. And after the prayers, there's a small dosa shop in front. And it's a very nice place, and we always have fun. It's a very good time we have, and it went for many years, like maybe 4 years, maybe, I don't know. After that, all the friends went in different directions. One USA, Australia, UK, even myself, I transferred to another place. After that, we did not get a chance to meet that often. We didn't meet him every week, but we're still in contact. And just another small incident about I can tell about is, I went to see him for my second son's marriage. He got his new Mercedes-Benz. I said, can I borrow him for a day? Even before I finished my sentence, he said, okay, take it. He was such a nice person, that's all I can tell about him. And yeah, there's nothing else I want to, because all the good things everybody has already shared about him, just 100% correct. And நல்லா அழகாக பேசுவார், அழகாக சிரிப்பார். அதற்குத்தான் அவர் பேரே அழகப்பன் என்று சொல்றேன்னு நான் நினைக்கிறேன். நான் எப்பொழுதும் அவ்வளவு நல்ல நண்பர். எனக்கு ரொம்ப ரொம்ப வருத்தம் அவர் இப்பொழுது இல்லை என்று. எனக்கு you don't know how extremely I felt bad. Well, that's it. What can we do about it? I hope his soul rest in peace. And ஆத்மா சாத்தியத்திற்கு நான் பிரார்த்திக்கிறேன். That's all. Thank you.
நன்றி திரு கந்தா அவர்களே.